It don't just happen for Kumba where they saw them then chakara some country bomb where they put down we be supposed to holla for market country people. They will talk about so Kumba day with Salah. Maybe they don't put Cameroon for inside prayers. Allah make a peace come for Cameroon country people. They will talk about the same thing for Douala 5 for Bonamusa the mosque for them. And then apart from that one two country people them Doc Passy 3 where big Gongo carry 3 don't kill people past 9 for this country people in fire 2 be catch for Marche Dakar for Douala 2 subdivision then accident yes for Garabulai and then the new fund for Oku when I'm the 4th country people them we take talk about and with the bushmeat where they catch them soon country people are doing a big salute. Barka de Salah for all una come good for this special day. Wait na day for Ascension and na day 2 for Barka de Salah country people them. Now continues this for My Media Prime Television with me, Masatok Eze Ekulekutoride. We dey with be glad today for service una did plenty for look we country people them and una too fit send we who una own to read them with sense to for number way una the same for down una television so we na 675-386-801 675-386-801 country people even image una fit send them for we with una name for under the same story too. Make we start with same story for today talk say waiting. Pot for okra soup no fit ever get smell for beans. Pot for okra soup no fit ever get smell for beans. Now the same story that for we for today so Pastor Collins Pastor Collins Bruno for that site today from Dr. Passy. Thank you for relenting. We nak tori talk say wetin na Kumba will start and wetin take place for Kumba Day country people them. Na country bomb, yes, this explosive way they so then go bury am and na ketu they go discover am for that side they for market country people them then dig and move am before the chakara una see am. I said Kumba Day people them waka dey young. Yes. Oh man, fear catch people them. So now around that side day for Kumba main market una dey see am so yes country people them Kumba main market how today na Thursday we na keep Kumba clean or keep plenty town them clean. Look the place where they can put the country bomb for this was not take this year. Wonderful pala for them for this country people them. Now we don't can discover and now then they move and then they check around for this not take this year where they don't fix and so they can put up some kind of way a picket for just holla and holla one can holla for that side country people them. So to them a can be the camp day police version army them and if furnish and them now them did so for all this kind of wahala matter for this not take this year. So na main entrance for Kumba Market Deso country not far from Grandson. Anyway, City Mayor Greg Mewanu to become the try for talk for population where they gather for the say this inside the matter make people them know the green make that kind of thing them begin happen for them. So thank God say na Thursday and Thursday country people them now they will keep market keep places them clean where they get for open store them now around 11 o'clock so country people them. We remain for Kumba Day as it happened so we Muslim they don't gather for plenty prayer ground them Kumba 2 and Kumba 1 for day 2 make we see their own prayer. The divisional officer for Kumba 2 he follow prayer with them. Yes, his name now Ali Anugu. For that matter, so country people them as it take be so Muslim then gather for their prayer ground for pray where they get for make prayer for this so for toxicity say this so they don't finish 30 days for fasting. It be supposed to be na yesterday 29 days for fasting, but as the add day for yesterday before me Salah be na today country people then it make them flop 30 days for see new moon for this so as na take this year. Now you say for inside Kumba now. Then prayer, and then prayer for they put this country as Imam try to preach for they say this so may they talk now peace and peace for northwest, southwest, peace for the whole Cameroon. May all team the worker JJ the way it be done to be before this wahala for Chakumcha it come the be so country for them. So the prayer say this so over die the way they come to especially where they happen where especially die to for Fon Mukete where they go bury na 2 Saturday 2 Friday after tomorrow so country people them. So they take talk about them for that side day. Douala 5 for Bonamusadi. Then 2 they make prayer for Salah for today country people them unasiam. For finish 1 month fasting for Ramadan. Now if you say Muslim then gather for that side day for Bonamusadi mosque. For do wait for the country people them for put this all Muslim them for hand for Allah as Imam the travel talk say peace this so he find say this so after we people run fast so the prayer for Allah for the sacrifice with the run do and out in the way it's supposed for wakade so inside and so it happen now for the way this so inshallah this afternoon where this so they go start now for the receive people them for the see how things and fit the waka with them for this so country people them. We take talk about fire for Douala, yes sir, Marché Dakar. Now the fire burn plenty store them for the nation. Sapeur pompier they don't come quench and soute. Now day before yesterday for night breaking yesterday. Fire just start so they send a short circuit country boy. Burn for the kind of level way as they store them burn past 20. Mommy then cry. Buy am salam the way they don't even carry that thing and go pack them like cocoa, yam, potato, Irish, or thing. Go pack and inside other people that store them for the that way team born all man don't turn a losses. All man don't turn a losses. When people they cry, even inside deep freezer them, them born past mark for that marché Dakar where it is na opposite commissariat with TM for inside Douala 2 neighborhood for this country people any manner come according to traditional or country fashion through on small water even if the sapeur pompier they don't quench all for this country people them. The one way happened yesterday evening time, yes, Buffy talks night we don't reach because now around that kind 7:30. Una sabi say mami buy am salad for corner road. They ever wait say when people then finish work they come back for house now they stop the buy last thing them for go cook. Now if be say Okada they be stand for corner road, marching dog passy. Now that way Ngongoro can't finish people them. They talk about 11, some say plenty past 11, other one they say in short people then die plenty na this. Look na the Ngongoro that na trailer where he carry timber. That means say this strong big tree them. Now you want to negotiate burning corner for that roundabout where he come out and be the camp for Doc Passy the country people them. Or that's for until he say yesterday he come wait it happen now and it breaks fail. As breaks fail so one turn now. Okada people they line up for corner road he sweep mami them where they do sell the one the way they be the way na taxi. I say sweep them so tell let's go finish na inside on hairdressing salon for Marching Doc Passy them. Now we see all man so people that image in this for night. The other one I face here an image of a sharp morning time. Wait as you take the happen so we finish people them for that side where they didn't fear see this now this lock of wood them fall now on top people them for this so contribute them or the Okada wanna see them for down about 3-4 Okada them for down. A show quite what I see this so they don't understand whether the Okada put the jump go or they do the under the tree them the lock of wood or timber the way they so the Ngongoro it be carry for them the Ngongoro say this so yeah as way to scatter for that kind of level so way they so now breaks fail for that matter. And then if they negotiate a burning corner for them. Another accident don't block road for Garwa Bulai since morning time. No way for go before, no way for come back. Now it is. So trailer as Nayera. And a brake fail too. Driver wise. He said that for go before. Go finish with the people then. Later I turn. Out into rain for road. Probably no day. For so if security day, it go left. If you know they because the team will go so now for Central Africa. Oh, yes, now good then that carry corn then they makabu then they cassava when a dry one then they plenty thing then they when they go for go deliver so. Now people they cackle them business people the way they carry them buy them from Jumbe Penja West Fumbat other side and so even reach Odwala. Then low down for Chankang Central African for that side for Yasa. Now if you go so, now you cause other trouble na cancer say don't block road today. We since morning time they fight for do what you if you do even be so other motor no pass either for enter Bangui or for come Central Africa come for Cameroon the country people there. Fun don't travel, fun don't come back. Fun for Oku. Yes, una say the other day na governor's office for Northwest announced safe on don't travel. Now he say now Prince Ernest Ngum don't turn na phone Ngum the foot of Okulan. Now this. Now the new fund this for Babe Bertrand, Elin Sama, Ngo Macarius, Fayengo Francis, na their new this. Yes, country people them, na the young man this way. Now they don't catch him for day, and the way today way, Ngom na go hold hand, talk say, Oku country people them now number this. So now this now for the matter so country people in town we to be doing on small graduate. For that side this so as una take this year for all this issue them for this one now be the call now His Royal Highness von Ngum the foot of Oku for this country people them as you take this so for that other place where they call them to for the country people them see this one yes see this one Mwesok village inside this Kupe Mwanenguba division for they two na where they put their third class chief for the two country people they unasiam people them waka wrote no day Mwesok na village where chop they plenty inside Bakosi land. Chop de plenty beaucoup bedroad today for things for come out. Now be say divisional officer for Bangem e come out now for can't stand name the see how they put new fund. Now he put them for name for government. Then they tell you say inside the matter una get for respect law for country, respect tradition, make peace come, make all man respect she play as you machine for a corner so country. So that the new chief that third class chief they put them for Mwesok village or that side for inside Bagem subdivision na place where they call them for the country for them. Say inside Kupe Mwanigo where they are senior divisional officer for the na Jean-Marie Chakwi Nude for this so country people them as na take for the public holiday day tomorrow. People they ask me why. Now for Sika say, even though according to the law for constitution, no be automatical. Nkunkuma fit decide for do or you no fit decide for do. But you see and say people they over ask for and they will enjoy today for Salah and for Ascension. As Christian they born the talk, he go chop with the Muslim then for Salah, then he go drink with the Christian then for Ascension. We go understand why. You go for Muslim man, you no go see Mulu, you go see na sweet mimbo. They chop na for they chop boku. Country them. As it take be now, they don't put it tomorrow now go be public holiday. Friday public holiday night this. Today public holiday for Sika 2 feast. Tomorrow public holiday for Sika enjoyment after. Yes, country people them. So Friday number 14 day for this month we on the inside so a public holiday inside the whole Cameroon. Yes. And this one now they will publish and Nkunkuma take sign up for this Palava so country. People yes Nkunkuma take sign and yesterday for evening time way Nkunkuma he signed this one so country people then. After when Nkunkuma signed that one, Secretary General, no tell me is na assistant Nkunkuma, Secretary General for Presidency, Ferdinand Gongo, he signed another one for name from Nkunkuma Onasiam. 70. So the Minister of State, Secretary General of the Presidency, he don't talk so much. He say for na Nkunkuma talk for Sika COVID-19 pandemic. He say may they respect social distancing. That is why 20th May celebration, big celebration, no go day. And when I say country people, they say the number 2 times this way 20th May they be. Last year it no be day. This year too mbanu. They say for Sika this thing. So may all man respect social distancing for yes so country people them, respect social measures them, respect physical distancing and the way things is supposed to be. Make no man now no go dey involved for that matter so country people. So even military parade. No go day our military parade be there for France and next July it go so day again for France the bet. For one country now would you over respect thing the way would over fear coronavirus. So no go day for this matter so country people them. Professor Pauline Nalova Lyonga, Minister for Secondary School College Book then. He be there for Douala yesterday. Place where they call and say, Lycée Bilingue de Dedo. For can do it, Unasia. Now, principal for Lycée Bilingue de Dedo stand up for a corner so. Madame Mukete. Then, Professor Shidon, they show you place for sign. He say, I be tell una open media tech. Computer science lab for play with this, so they put away, they do all research now for them. Where go help to for the kind e-learning as speaking they talk about them. Governor be there for a corner, due to ABD. For this palava so country people them, na local younger talk say this so. Wanna make us una make and say school they be modern. But I'm taking now wakashwan for you. Yes, wakashwan for you, how we for take be. Minister no be the man with the bello. No, minister nara nyangumba on see with the green clothes. So wait, Madam Provisor for Econa so country people them. Yeah, even no ask me why the two nyango they no respect social distance for this matter so country people they must not take see for the matter within the way it happen for this so. We take talk about another one country people them na Fecom they don't open their new office for Limbede na Southwest branch una see. Big man for Fecom where they call it Kami Akoa and Governor George Elanga Oba for decentralization. The Minister for Decentralization George Elanga Oba. They be there. Yes, they did it for open door. For new building where they build and for Limbede. The other way minister now takes us, he cut the symbolic ribbon for this country. People now takes it, wait way it happened for the. As it take be now for that matter now so country people them they don't cut them. As they cut them now they say na here we Fecom office yes na here we Fecom office it did for Southwest this country people then the Fecom office that for Southwest this way they don't open and governor be there to for a corner for the two was not takes and a new office that for Fecom Southwest Fecom yes Southwest Fecom this way they open enough for Limbede with run bill and then they inaugurate them for Limbede so country people the way people they now they will come on and a daily they go to work now so for that side for Limbe for the control team for council and all the other team for the way they talk about and for this matter so country people them. Minister George Elanga Obam he be talk una yeti we talk he and Kami Akoa for Fecom una yede.
I wish to reassure you that Fecom will always be by your side to help you fulfill your dream and vision of local and regional development here in the Southwest region.
We must listen to those to whom we work and we must constantly seek their satisfaction. Legal exchanges with mayors are therefore being frank and constructive. That is why I think today's ceremony, which marks Fecom's presence in the Southwest region, has a specific connotation.
We not only hear country people them now so for that chapter 2 for protect the whole world. I say lower become for Cameroon say some kind beef then they way they no must catch them. They don't catch all. Now that for that side for better they unasiam. I say people they say and so what I'm up the floor for their mop. So you put this one inside arrow. You put that inside Namtaro. You put that inside this it go shoot look this one. Kind species them. You see every animal they don't supposed to kill them. Now you say forest poem. Yeah, this one a porcupine, this sweet way, the sweet country people there. You see this one they don't get for kill. They kill them for the police they take note for that people. Even though after they will sell enough for oxy, and then the talks they now they will take them for the country people not take see. So they do now make and sell and then put them buy them not take and go cook them for chop their beef them because the season for people them for this country people as not take this year. Even Boma he did it. Now Boma this I know this one I think we call them for this matter say this so a big lizard, a big size of lizard, and then Boma this for this country people them yes you see are sitting and take the happen of all this laugh at them for yes so they catch them for the country people them. Central African Republic will show the white man where they catch here. We show you yesterday where they say the plot coup for kill Ange Touadera when a president for Central Africa. Now we say yesterday about 5,000 Central African people they walk out for streets they don't want MINUSCA and the United Nations again because French people they hide now for back they can't do it they can't for plot coup for kill their people them for them then they achieve their goal and plenty their thing them go to Unasia. I said people they waka. Yes, they waka. Say they don't want them again. They do not want MINUSCA. French people they turn for them. They can't spy them for that time to country. Then they take their gold and they go there. So they turn and say this somber. they no want them again. Make the people then carry, make they go inside the matter to turn so they go stop for front French embassy, and they see that Frenchman where they catch and say they want to can go put inside French consulate for them. It means say they have a different territory now, so and they go do all thing for say they wipe the case. They go do all thing for say they wipe the case for this whole country. People not take the same. Say throw for this palaver. We no want time again. We no want time again, and we no want time again for this whole country. People na so the thing and take now. They happen. Yes, c'est les fouineurs. Laissez-nous en paix. Les fouineurs. That means people na spy them where they can look and go talk to the matter. Minuska vampire for that matter so country. People they na take see and said all this level them so for. We don't see mathematics they don't want time again for this so yes c'est MINUSCA égale cour pénale centrafricaine. You see hein? Partez MINUSCA partez chez vous. MINUSCA Mbalaba so they talk plenty thing them inside vex for this country people them. Thank you plenty. Yes, thank you plenty. This person with the column, see this so now. Yes, Abril Mikwa Abril for the thank you too. This the one with the column say Desmond when I command for we technical supervisor na technical director Michel Kaiser Akbo country people them thank you plenty. Johnson Vola for the thank you Christian Tebong and then the other one for the country people them now so take B program that they continue for my media prime television. Massa Talk News na mi Massa Talk nobody for down there una figiam if una sit my back na ABC my belle idea for front to go barka de sala and happy ascension for all una country people. Bye bye.